In this video, I'm going to be answering one simple question. Which one is better? The Bluedio T4S or the Bluedio T5s? Right after this. What's up everyone? This is your boy Jeff at eljefereviews.
My name is Jeff. It's Jefe, man.
And on my channel, I do gadget unboxings, demos, and tech reviews. So if that sounds like something that you're into, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. In this video, I'm going to be doing a comparison between the Bluedio T4S and the Bluedio T5s that just came out. Now, I just dropped a full review on the Bluedio T5, and I'll be leaving a link to that right up here so you guys can check that out. In that video, in the comments section, the most common question that I got was, which one's better, the T4S or the T5? You know, which one has better bass, which one has this or that? Just a ton of those questions. So I figured why not do a quick comparison video for you guys and answer the question once and for all. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. All right guys, so for this test, I actually use my Samsung Galaxy S8. It has a dual Bluetooth mode, so I can actually hook up both of these headsets directly to my phone. Makes it really easy for me to switch back and forth between the two when I'm listening to different songs and different genres to get a better idea of the qualities of the two different headphones. So let's start with the Bluedio T4S. I actually did a full review of these back in November 2017. I'll leave a link to that right up here for you guys to check out if you want to take a look at that. Now, the T4S have a heavier bass sound. They're more tuned towards, you know, like hip hop or drum and bass or even trap music, stuff like that with heavy bass lines. That's the type of sound they have. Sort of akin to like the Sony Extra Bass or even something like a Beats by Dre. That's sort of the sound signature you get with these. The other plus side to the T4S right now is that I've been seeing them discounted, you know, on Amazon and AliExpress, something like 10% off, maybe even a little bit more. So that's definitely something to look into, you know, if you're into that type of sound. And then here we have the T5s, and I just did a full review of these a couple days ago. If you want to check out that video, I'll put a link right up here for that. Now the T5s have a more well-rounded, well-balanced sound. Now they do have less overall bass, so like a less deep bass, I guess you could say, as compared to the T4S, but they make up for that with the increase in the mid-range and in the top end. So if you're listening to, you know, a wider variety of music, sort of like I am, I listen to a lot of rock and oldies and, you know, R&B and, you know, hip hop as well. You know, these might be better suited for you as they cover a much wider variety with their clearer and crisper soundstage. And on the other plus side, they also have a much larger and much cushier ear pad design, and they do sit all the way over my ears, and I have large ears, as you can tell. So noise isolation, I would say, is probably a little bit better than the T4S, but you know, that's just a plus, just to let you guys know. But they are obviously a little bit more expensive than the T4S, so they both have their pluses and their minuses. You know, just to wrap everything up, basically, if you like a bass heavy headphone, if you listen to more hip hop and more bass heavy music, then I highly recommend you go with the T4S, especially right now that they're being discounted. And you can also get them in white and red and in the, you know, the silver and black one that I have here. If you're listening to, if you prefer a clearer soundstage, better highs, better mids, you know, where super deep bass isn't exactly your preference, although they still have good bass, then, you know, definitely go with the T5s. You know, and you're going to get the better ear cups here. They're going to be more comfortable on the ear. So that's basically what it comes down to, is what type of music you listen to and what your preference is with your headphones. So that's, like I said, that's the question that's been asked the most. You know, should I go with the T4s? Should I go with the T5s? You like bass? T4S. You want a clearer soundstage? T5s. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here. I hope that this comparison has given you guys a little more clarity as far as which way you wanna go. Now, if you guys have any other questions regarding either the T4S or the T5s, feel free to leave those down in the comment section, and I will answer your questions as soon as possible. Now, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's totally cool too. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. So with all that being said, I hope everybody has a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video.